Hello viewers, you are welcome to the channel. In this video, I will teach you how to earn 800 Naira or 15 Ghana cedis every minute by using your smartphone. Now this app pays 800 Naira or 15 Ghana cedis every single minute. You may be wondering, how is this possible? Are people really making such an amount of money? Just relax and let me show you this. Let me scroll down and show you this. Okay, so let's read through this. Earn rewards. Redeem your units for awesome rewards such as gift cards to Amazon, Visa, Google Play, PayPal, and more. So that is Creole, and then your Momo account as well. So this amount of money given away to date, that is $23,877,559 has been given away. So as I just read, the 59 has changed. Now it is 84. It's now 94. So $10 has been made. Now 4, that is another $10. 19, so that's $15 that has been made. 29, so that is $10. 34, $15. So as you can see, within every second or two, people are able to make $10 to $15 within every single second on this app. Now let me clarify this. This is not just for a single individual. That is earnings that has been made globally from this particular app. So within every single second, someone is making some money from this particular app, and that person could be you. So this is a way to make money online. There's a way to make money from home, or to make your first dollar online, or just keep this as a side hustle. Okay, all right, so all that you need to earn this amount of money is a smartphone, an internet connection, data, and you can start making money online in Nigeria, in Ghana, in Cameroon, and other parts of the world. So let me scroll up again. Now this app that I am talking about is known as Mist Play. So I have opened the site over here, mistplay.com, and this is the interface that is showing over here. Now this app is free. This app is free. I have opened it on my laptop, as you can see, but for you to be able to use it to earn money online, open it on your smartphone. Open it on your smartphone. This can be done by, first of all, you going to Google Play Store. So go to Google Play Store and then type in Mist Play. Mist Play. That is MISTPLAY. Mist Play. And then you'll be able to find it over there. So this is the fastest way to earn 800 Naira or 15 Ghana cedis every single minute, and it is the easiest way to earn such an amount of money in Ghana or in Nigeria. Alright, so after downloading the app from Google Play Store, what you need to do is that you need to play games on this app and you'll be able to make money. Wait, someone will ask, are you kidding me? How does this work? How would you play a game and be able to make money? just relax and let me explain this to you. This is how it works. Now, when developers develop applications or games, they need to test it in order to know whether the game is functioning as it is expected to function. So for them to be able to know that, it has to go through testing. So this is more of a user testing thing that you are doing. So the developers will introduce the game to you so that you play the game, and after playing the game, you review it as to whether it is good, it is bad. You do some ratings. Normally, applications, you rate them between 1 to 5, your user experience. And then some people will just click on, let's say, 3, 4, 5. Now, this data will help the developer to get to know that the app is fit for use. Otherwise, he would have to be able to correct 1 or 2 things on it before the app is finally uploaded to the Google Play Store, where people will download it and he will also make money from it. So this is how it works. The developer will give the app to you or the game to you for you to play. Then you review the app. And when you review the app based on the data, the developer will upload it or otherwise and then pay you. So that is how it works. So you play the games in order to earn money. And this is dollars that I am talking about. If you make a few dollars, converting it to your local currency, you make a lot of money. Imagine making $100 online. $100 may be nothing in the United States, but if you convert it to your local currency, let's say Ghana, where a dollar is to 8 Ghana cedis, that means you are getting like 800 Ghana cedis, and that is not bad. That is not bad. Now, this is Make Money Online channel, and here on this channel, we talk about various ways of making money online using your free time in order to make or take your financial destiny into your own hands. If you are getting value so far from the video, kindly locate the subscribe button down there. Let me also inform you that it is free to subscribe. So locate the subscribe button down there, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of these videos. We'll be bringing you these videos from time to time. Within the week, 2 or 3 videos will be released on this channel. So don't miss it. Subscribe to the channel. Alright, so let me take you through the website quickly. So this is Miss Play, as early on mentioned. So it says, welcome to the #1 loyalty program for mobile gamers. So this is for mobile gamers. If you like playing games, you need to earn from it. So discover games you will love and play, and discover games you will love and earn rewards for playing. Okay, so these are the 3 steps that you need to go through. 1, you discover the new game, that is games recommended just for you. Then 2, play and collect units. So the longer you play, the more you earn. Then 3, you redeem rewards. That's redeem your units for awesome rewards. So you play the games, then it will reward you. So as I early on showed you, these are the earnings that people are making. Every single second, someone is making some money from this particular website. So you can also earn money from this particular website. Alright, so it says download Misplay now. Get it on Google Play Store. So I clicked on this link and then it led me here. So you can get the app on the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Now, there are about 10 million plus downloads of this app. So people are really downloading this app in order to earn money. So please make sure you also download the app in order for you to be able to make money online. Alright, so this is how to earn 800 Naira or 15 Ghana cedis every minute using your smartphone. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.